we're finally going to be bringing the R8 to the Audi dealership to go get it checked out. Last time, brought it to the quarter mile, and I was getting a clutch overheating warning. And it was telling me to pull the car over immediately. So I only got 2 runs in, and I wasn't able to fully send it because I was worried that I was gonna do some major damage to my transmission or my clutch. So we're gonna be bringing the R8 to the Audi dealership in Tampa and do a full inspection. Service due. That's where we're going. Alright, so I'm gonna have JoJo make the announcement. So what's the announcement?
We're pregnant.
How you feel, babe?
I feel great.
Yeah.
Didn't know it was a little peanut.
The first look that we've had at the baby.
Yes. It's a gummy bear.
That's crazy.
The size of a gummy bear.
And how far along are we?
4 months.
4 months. Almost halfway there. So another reason why I was saying I'm gonna kind of feel guilty sinking, you know, $4,000 into a brake job in this car, or $1,000 maintenance and oil changes, when I feel like we should be putting some of that aside for the kids' college or maybe their future whip. Yeah, that's kind of the reason that's pushing us to possibly sell the R8 and possibly the Skyline. Don't worry, I am going to keep the Supra. That Supra is not going anywhere.
No.
That's my other baby. So we'll see. Once we get rid of the R8, we'll get rid of the Skyline and putting that into an investment property, and if there's anything left over, put it into another project car.
Okay.
A cheap project car.
Yeah, okay.
All right, guys, we made it to Audi in Tampa, and I spotted a white Audi V10. Let's go take a look. What do you think, babe?
It's really pretty.
The color is awesome.
I don't know how to describe it.
The exhaust through the back here is awesome.
Oh, the brake disc will be. It's almost like a.
Like they keep adding more and more accents. Like, I'm not used to seeing this. This looks new. Every little bit just makes it look a little bit more aggressive. Even these little cutouts here. They're just adding a little bit more style to the front end of them. Audi hooked it up with another Audi. We're gonna be driving the Q5 to 2023 S-Line Q5. I actually like the two-tone interior.
Hey, I love the
brown. The brown and the black. There it is.
There she is.
R8 looking fancy.
Our other baby, our first baby.
All right, we'll see that soon. And JoJo just found
Portillo's
Portillo's
of Tampa. Hello.
So are we going to Portillo's?
We're going to Portillo's.
How far is it?
Let's see. 6 minutes.
Let's go. We got it.
All right, Eddie.
Oh my God, I'm so excited.
I can't believe it. I haven't seen a Portillo's since Illinois.
Go to the drive-thru. Or are we going to go inside? You want to go inside?
No, we're going inside.
Yeah, we're going inside. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Cheeseburger.
Nice. We made it.
Oh my God. Hi, good, how are you?
That's the original Portillo's doghouse. And you know where that took place? Do you know where that's from? Chicago.
It's on the line, 199.
Need help? You got it.
I think I got it.
Following you.
I'm so excited.
Oh yeah. I'm guessing that's the cheese.
Whoa, okay.
Let's check it out. Oh yeah.
filming your vacation.
We're actually, we haven't been out to the Portillo's in Tampa, so we're very excited.
Where were you from Chicago?
Like northwest suburbs, like Schaumburg area.
Well, I know you like the boots.
all the time at the mall.
Oh yeah, Woodfield Mall.
Woodfield. Streets of Woodfield.
Streets of Woodfield. No kidding.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
From Chicago also.
No
Oh,
kidding.
really?
Wow. Yeah.
So how's the burger?
We taxied one time in a cab.
So how's the burger?
You find it interesting that Sophia is on the show that has the original host.
So how's the burger?
Amazing. It's gonna be gone in 2 bites.
Someone's happy. All right, we finished up at Portillo's. Babe, what do you think?
Yeah.
Dude, that was so good.
2 thumbs up for sure.
I was gonna say like, damn, it sucks that I have to come all the way to Tampa for service on my R8, but now this is a perfect excuse to just go to Portits.
I know.
Got a sick little 370Z here. That's a unique color. You don't really see this green too often. It's like a forest green.
I love it.
Pretty sick. All right, let's go back home. When this is shaved, it gives me Pitbull vibes, but when this is longer, it looks like Andrew Tate.
Oh my god, you do.
Turbo, turbo.
I love the way that sounds.
Sounds good.
He's going to sacrifice himself. No, you can't. There must be another way. Check the king. I don't know the rest. I forgot. Because he put a camera on me, though. I got all nervous.